And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix LinkedIn not logging in problem. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store or App Store, and on the search bar type in LinkedIn. Once you type it in, you can see your LinkedIn where you can see an update button if there is any. Then if you have any updates, then simply update your LinkedIn first. After you have updated your LinkedIn, you need to simply tap on LinkedIn and hold it. Then you can find the I like icon, so simply tap on it and you will end up in this kind of interface. So there on the bottom right hand side of the corner you can find force stop. So simply tap on it and tap on OK. Now simply scroll back and tap on your LinkedIn app again. Once you do this, now you will be able to solve your login problem and you can sign in with your Google, Apple account or your Facebook or even your email or phone number and typing in your password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up.